mastering the art of animations and React top libraries to use. The following are the top React libraries to help you do work faster. 1. React Spring. React Spring is a Spring physics-based animation library that should cover most of your UI-related animation needs. 2. Framer Motion. Framer Motion, a production-ready motion library for React, utilized the power behind Framer, the best prototyping tool for teams. 3. GreenSock. GreenSock animation platform animates anything touch CSS properties, SVG, React Canvas, generic objects, whatever, and solves countless browser inconsistencies, all with blazing speed. 4. Remotion. Remotion allows you to create videos and animation using familiar tools and languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript. 5. React Move. React Move allows developers to make attractive, data-driven animations. It is a lightweight library that has lifecycle events on transitions. 6. React Awesome Reveal. React Awesome Reveal offers reveal animations by utilizing the Intersection Observer API to identify when elements are visible within the viewport. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.